How's it going, everyone? This video is going to be from the archives of Kyle Burford. You might ask, who is Kyle Burford? Well, he's a great friend of mine who passed away in 2016. About 3 years later, his parents asked me to help clean up their house. They were moving, so I did, and we came across some lost tapes that he took from 2007 to 2009. They're going to be random, they're going to be personal. I miss him. I miss his voice, I miss our conversations. I wish I could have recorded some conversations with him about his experiences meeting bands, meeting celebrities, just overall experiences in general. He's a great guy, and I think he deserves to be remembered, and I wanted to edit these videos that you're going to be watching and share them with you. Now, some of them are going to be going places, road trips, family. Enjoy these videos. Kyle, I love you, man. I miss you. And I'm very thankful that we all can enjoy these. So, there's going to be a series of these. So enjoy this. This is the Kyle Burford files. And rest in peace, my friend. Love you. Alright, let's have some fun. Let's enjoy this video. And have a good day. Thanks for watching.
Still snowing out. It's late, but I fashioned a somewhat fashioned flashlight.
Is that a flashlight?
Yeah, let me see that real quick.
You gonna take my flashlight from me?
Just for a moment.
Careful, there's this.
Oh, that's what's
Are you videotaping me?
You look adorable.
Don't, my,
Hey,
my
buddy.
cheek is swollen.
Yeah, I got your good side. Now everybody on the camera knows that.
Thanks.
Thanks, myself.
Careful.
That's part of my ritual. If I beat my head on stuff long enough, I usually figure stuff out.
You
It's
can take
true.
the ashtray out, that might help.
Clever, aren't you?
Oh, maybe not. I thought it was not there, but.
And you know, there's no bottom to it. It's
I just
down.
figured
Forward
because there's a
one step
bottom to the
back.
ashtray, so I figured it would just come right out.
That's Josh. You'll know Josh. From our
We've met.
from our Operation B&E days, I still have that DVD.
What's
Hey, look.
B&E?
Breaking and
Bacon
entering.
and eggs, baby.
Bacon and eggs.
Is that really what it is?
Breaking and entering.
Oh!
But for all you people out there in
I'm supposed
TV
to
land,
know.
we love our eggs.
Yep. At least we don't steal horns
Oh,
off trains.
That lighter doesn't like to work when it's
noticed.
cold.
Hello.
Oh, I have a moon too. Yeah, my
The
old car
crank.
did.
Yeah,
It's
actually
great. I
put this
had
in right.
Well, I'm gonna turn this off and continue
And
recording
like
when we actually have a lit
windows
area.
had the
Alright, that's a good idea.
roof and
Don't
everything
want to
on
waste
it,
them
and then I get this
LEDs.
one,
No.
No electric windows.
Yesterday, it snowed in the morning, but all the snow melted. This morning, it came back. It's been snowing. It still is. So you can see it. Excuse me. Terribly sorry. Lit, Itter, me, Jordan, Josh, and hopefully Larissa. All gonna go outside and play in the snow. Me and Jordan. Driving to go pick up Jerem. Pretty much snow everywhere. Snow and ice. Yeah, what the fuck are you looking at, Chief? Huh? Woohoo!
So you just gotta know how to do it.
Yeah, just gotta rock it back and forth. The cussing and whatnot, that's all part of it. You're just trying to coax the car to make it upset, so then it's like, I can do it.
I don't know if you can make this turn. Not sure you can. You can just do it in one spot. That Jeep apparently seems to be having fun because they've been driving for the past like 3 hours.
Dude, didn't we see them earlier? Over by the post office or some shit like that?
No, it's not here.
Ah, cold! Yep. There's that one little teeny hill, but if you go down the express, you gotta go up the exit. Come on, baby.
That's good. You got it. As long as we move a little bit, we will start moving again.
There's really no light on you. I mean, you can see the road and like, but us, we're just dark shadows.
And we're off.
Windows getting icy.
Already. Hey, Grandma, hey, Grandpa.
See you guys on Wednesday?
Whoa!
What?
He was snowboarding behind that car.
I didn't see it. Damn it, I missed it. Might have caught her on here without knowing it.
Crazy fucks.
I'd do it.
I wouldn't. But I don't know how to snowboard.
Yeah, me neither. I'd enter tube. That's right, I said it.
Looked like that wasn't Scott's Toyota, was it?
What, the one that just drove past us?
Yeah.
I thought it was red, the one that just drove past us.
Was it?
Huh?
Was it?
I thought it was.
I didn't even look.
Scott's is green.
Scott's is gray.
Oh yeah, never mind. I'm thinking of an old truck. Yeah, his is gray. Yeah, I don't think that was it. This is that little teeny hill we got. Somebody just threw a snowball at us. Fucker, we'll get him on the way back. What side did they hit?
Oh, this side, I think. It was pretty loud over here.
Yeah, it was. They're doing what we wanted to do.
Pranksters. How the hell did they even make a snowball in the snow?
I don't know. Maybe they used the ice thing the water thing that I told us to do.
That won't work.
No?
I'm telling you, it just dissolve.
I mean, what if you misted it a little? Like a mist bottle.
Good.
Sounded like it was a good one.
Yeah, it did. It sounded pretty fucking loud. God, you can come in my window and smack me in the face.
Yeah, so I was just like, I looked over at my open window. I was like, shit.
That could have been my face.
Uh-oh, we are coming up on Jeremy. Hopefully he doesn't have a trick up his sleeve.
Is it for the intersection or not?
No, it's on this side.
Oh, it's on the side of it?
Yeah. Let's see, that's Ryan's house, so he's probably here. Alright, camera, well, I'm gonna step out real quick. Oh, god damn it, I have to roll down the fucking window.
Ice the window. Where's the flasher though?
Well, I'm just gonna leave the camera in here, I'm gonna turn it off. What? What's that? Want to go over to 7-Eleven now? Been a while and it's still snowing, Riss. Well, actually, it's raining.
Are you still recording?
Jesus. Still snowing. It's crazy. And doodle hat on. Jeremy wants to go to View Acres, of all places, and build a jump for the snowboard. Told him I'd go with him, although I'll eat shit because I've only snowboarded once. Let's see how deep it is right outside my room on the carport with this handy dandy ruler. Jeez. Look. It's, I don't know if you can see it, there's a 10 right there, but if you look next to it, almost 9 inches of snow on my carport alone. That's a lot of snow. Shark car.
Yeah, I got the big one earlier. He got the medium size big one.
Shark car. So much warmer with actual snow clothes on. Oh, I should have worn my gloves.
Yes, it is.
Huh.
I just bought you gloves.
They're in my pockets. I can't hold this with them on.
Oh, okay. Don't forget them, though.
I can't, Mom. They're in my pockets.
Okay.
Whew.
God, did Jeremy get the shovel out of the back of the blazer?
Oh, wait.
Fucking
I meant to put it back. I meant to put it back. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you get this on fucking tape.
What?
In case you're gonna take this to like civil court or whatever they call it.
People's court.
Yeah, there you go.
Judge fucking
Dun dun dun.
Judy in a minute.
Sorry.
Dun
I
dun
left my
dun.
phone at home anyway, so now we have 2 reasons to go back.
What else did she leave?
Because I was taking Oscar's car seat out and I left it. I'm sorry.
I'm wearing snow clothes this time.
Ruined everybody's time.
You ruined everybody's time again, Brittany.
I'm sorry.
They're germs.
Yeah. Well, thanks, Brittany, for
Hey, should I take this with us in case something cool happens or no?
Yeah, because
What?
fish big. Oh yeah.
I can sit back because
What?
I have shorter
I
legs.
don't even remember where I was at.
I think I'm just gonna leave this here because it's too hard to carry it around everywhere. Plus, ruin it. Yeah.
You won't be able to do anything without setting it down, and then you're gonna fucking forget it.
Yeah. Or I could set it in the snow, and that can't be good for it. And if Riss calls, she knows where I'm at. I'm with Jeremy. But still, if she calls, don't forget, Mom or Dad, tell her I love her.
Okay.
And then if she needs proof that I told you to say that, she can watch this when she gets back.
Okay.
Excuse me. Alright, I'm gonna record more later.
Okay.
Sign me out, Mom.
Sign out.
Hello. It's 1:09 in the morning. And surprisingly, I was already asleep. I woke up because there was a loud car that went by. Woke me up. I had to go pee. Just chilling. We got Snowmageddon going on. still. I'm going back to bed. It's still going. What? Hold on. It's the 23rd of December. It's still snowing. Well, my brother needs me. What, Germ? You just wear this one? Alright. Thank you. That'll work. Gotta put my belt buckle on it. My belt buckle on it. Tonight is Tenacious D, The Complete Masterworks, Part 2, 9 o'clock on Spike TV. Oh my god, is that a midget? Oh my god. Oh my god. Scott!